Hi guys, welcome to the 5 different types of sneezers. Stereotype. Number 1, scream, scream, achoo. Number 2, quietness. Achoo. Number 3, achoo, choo. Oh no, it's coming. Achoo, choo, choo. Number 4, normal. Achoo. Lastly, number 5, the Great Sneeze!